Welcome back, class. Welcome to Anamika ma'am's classroom. Today, I will discuss one simple Java program for you, which is specially for beginners. So, let's start. The program is how to divide two numbers in Java. So, write a program in Java to divide two numbers, and after division we find out quotient and remainder. If there is no remainder, then 0, and obviously there is some quotient. First is public class name. All in small letter. Class name, it's not mandatory to write in small or capital. It's whatever your choice. So, public, then class name. Each and every program we have to write down inside a class. Here I am giving class name division because I am going to divide two numbers. You also try to give some meaningful name. Like if you are doing sum, then don't give name, suppose subtract. So try to give some meaningful name. If you are doing sum, then give name sum or addition. If you're doing subtraction, give name sub or subtract. If you're doing division, then you do give the name like division. So like this, you give some meaningful name here. Then second bracket, all things you have to write down under class under this second braces. Then public static void main. Under this main function, you have to write down Java program. And here is again bracket start. When you start bracket, don't forget to close also. At last, at end of this program, we have to close this bracket, main bracket, opening bracket for main. We have to close this bracket with closing bracket, and we have to close this one also, opening bracket of class. We have to close at last. Then for divide two numbers, first we need two numbers. Then only we can divide it. First number is A, which is integer type. One integer, it is a type of variable which is int, means integer. Then you write down the name of the variable, any name. Here I am giving AB. Suppose you can give XY or anything, any name you can give, and equal to, and take any number. Here I am taking 16. You can take any other number. Then semicolon. Don't forget to put semicolon here. Not this line, not this line. Here you have to put one semicolon. Then second number, I take another integer. I called it B, and equal to 3. I assign 3 here. So my first number is A and my second number is B. Then semicolon. Remember that if you want to divide A by B, then A must be greater than B. Otherwise, division not possible. Then in D, I take 1/3 variable D, which is also integer type, because when we divide two integer variable, we get answer in one integer. So this is also integer type variable. I give name D as division, equal to, here you just for division you have to use this sign A by B. This sign is the division sign, semicolon. So in A we have 16, divide by 3. So 3 5s are 15. So 5 comes here. Then how to get the remainder? This is how to get the quotient. Just between two variables, if you want to plus, give plus sign. If you want to minus, subtract, give minus sign. If you want to multiply, then give one asterisk sign. for multiplication, and if you want to divide, give one division sign. And if you want to find out the remainder, then very much important, this is 1% sign. You have to give this is called mod sign. This sign you have to give from your keyboard. You type this. This is called mod sign. We get remainder here in R. I declare one new variable which is int type, and the name of the variable is R equal to A mod B. Here I give divide sign, and here I give mod sign, or from this sign we get remainder. From this sign we get this, from using these operator we get quotient, and from using this operator we get remainder. So if you want to try find out the division, that means quotient, then use one slash, and if you want to find out the remainder, then instead of this you just use this percent sign. Then we have to print. System dot you don't already know how to print. System A is in capital letter only. System dot out dot print ln. This is ln, not in. Print ln within bracket, then under quote, whatever you want to print you can print here. I am writing quotient of two numbers is equal to, then you close your quote, then always give plus sign. This plus sign is concatenate or join your message with your output. It joins with your whatever you want to show the message with the output. In D you have the result. You join these two, the result and the message. So in quotient we have in D, so plus D you write down. Maybe you are doing division, maybe you are doing addition, maybe you are doing subtraction, whatever you are doing, no problem. Here you give plus. This plus sign is not addition, this join, for joining these two message and your result. Then another line we have to print remainder. Remainder of two numbers is equal to, close your quote, again give one plus sign, and in R we have the remainder, then semicolon. Then you have to close this bracket. First you close this one main, and then you have to close this one class. Then your program is totally ready. Then we will run this program in Java screen. Here is my program division. Right click over there, and first I want to show you that same things I have written, whatever I just show you. Then you close it and right click and go for void main. Then you can first I clear, then I again run void main. Then you can see result has come. Quotient of two number is 5 and remainder of two number is 1. Because you remember that two numbers 16 and 3, when you divide 16 by 3 as a quotient, we get 5, because 3 5s are 15. So 5 as a quotient, and remainder we will get 1. 16 minus 15, 1. So this is completely a right answer. Now thank you for watching my video. Please share, subscribe and like my channel. Bye bye.